What's up, everybody? This is Noah from Noah's Toy Reviews. I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be reviewing called a brand new Lego with all these characters. Stay tuned. Alright, so I have this one, and then I have the other one, which is the Cowboy. So let's open up this one first and see how these works. Right. So let's go open it. I'm so excited to open it. Okay. Just hold on. I'm just gonna open it. So I opened this. So let's go ahead and open it. So look at these figures. Ooh, that's a cool one out. So here's this little man. So here's the fireman. The fireman is now. Where did you put it here? I got that. Oh! Let's go ahead and take this one out. Ooh, this one's so cool. This one's so cool. They look like robots, but they're Legos. So here we go. There's all these figurines of Legos. Hello, can we be friends? Yeah, sure. It's me, the other ladies. Alright, so next let's try this one.
Show them the front of it.
Alright, here's the
Action Hero.
Action Hero. They're just like this one. Yeah? So, these are so cool. See? You can put these big locks. Big lock. What do you call it? It's called big lock. Right.
Or you could purchase these from the link in the description.
You can purchase these in the link in the description. I'm gonna put it. You can make them like these. You can make them sit down. So that's cool. You just build them or no? Oh, that's why I broke this one. That's why I broke that one. So let's take this one out. A dog broke them. Oh, you can put the hand up. Does the hand move?
Those are your Lego City Heroes.
Look at his head. Oh, look at it. His head is backwards. Whoop. All right. So I'm gonna show you all the figurines. I'm gonna open up these. Ooh, these are one of my favorites. Yeehaw! Alright, let's go take this out. So here they are. Whoa, look at these Legos. I've now got a lot, so I'm going to make them sit down. Oh, make them sit down? Oh, you make your feet go sit down. Oh, there we go. Alright. Sit down. Whoa, you can't sit down. Alright. There you go. Here's one figurine. And here's this one. This is one of my favorites. Hello, everyone. I'm a cop. Where's my best friend? Where's my girl? Where's my girlfriend? Where are you, girlfriend? Oh, hello. Oh, hello. How are you today? Good. I'm gonna look for anyone who doesn't have no thing or no problem with big, no anything. Ah, there's a fire over there. Let's go catch a fire. Yeah, that's super funny. Alright, let's try this one. Can we work out for a bit? I don't know how we work out. Workout means fixing? Oh yeah, we need to fix things. So, We need help! Oh, we're trapped! Oh, we need help! Oh, hey, girl! Somebody needs rescuing. All right, let's put my helmet on. Oh. You just broke this? No. Oh, you can put this up and down. And so put your thing down. All right. When nobody needs their help, somebody needs some help. All right, let's go. All right, let's go. Help! 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 Okay. Oh, I go far. Ah! Oh. Let's both sit down. I think we can. Let's go lay down. We're putting your feet up. Because I can put it in. Laying here is boring. I can't run that long. Ooh, I'm tired.
What other Lego men do you have? Show all the Lego men you have.
Alright, so I got this. Ooh.
Oh, we just pulled his head off.
Oh! Ah! There's body too.
Oh, you just pull. You know you can change the bodies.
How?
Put it on. Yeah, see, pull his off. Put his body on there.
Oh, my lion now. Ah, where's my body? I can't find my body. Or was it pants? Is this his pants? Oh. Ah! Oh, I got his body. Ah, where's my body? Who's this? Oh, Brian! Oh, yay! Where's my body? Where are you? Oh, who are you?
What other men do you have?
Oh, I can walk like this.
You got lots of them. You have 8 figures.
Yeah.
These are action heroes. It looks like a cowboy. It looks like a cop. It looks like a sheriff. Looks like special forces. These fit with other construction kits.
Hey, my body's back again. Oh, I forgot my whole body. Oh, where's my pants? Hey, have you seen his pants? Oh, there's his pants.
You know you've got 2 police. You got 2 firefighters. You've got a construction worker, 2 construction workers. You got a doctor, and you have a nurse.
Hey,
The nurse is the one in the white, in the all white. That's the nurse.
Oh, this black girl.
That's the girl. She's the nurse.
Hey, what's wrong with his eyes?
She's got glasses on.
I know. But what's wrong with this eye? Don't know either.
Maybe she's missing an eye? Or is it her glasses?
Maybe. I forgot what's his past, but I'm gonna fix this thing. Oh, there's my body, but where's my head? Can't see. Up. Ah! I forgot what's in my head now. Whoop. Oh, there are. I think my whole body just disappeared. Alright, so yeah.
Which one is that? Is that the cowboy?
Yeah, all of them are cowboys.
Or is that the sheriff? Does he say sheriff on it?
Maybe? Let's just show sheriff. Nope.
That looks like a SWAT guy from the SWAT team. Oh, and you just pulled his hat off.
Ah! Oh.
Oh, you just pulled his head off.
Ah! Where's my head? I can't see my head. Oh.
You can change the bodies to any of them.
Yeah.
You can make the doctor be the firefighter and the firefighter be the nurse and the nurse be the cop.
Oh, there's my head. Okay, can I pull his head off and then? Ow.
You just push it on really hard. There you go. See? You just pull his hair off.
That means he doesn't have no hair. He's bald.
He's a bald man.
Now his head again. Oh, okay. Oh my god. This was so funny. This was so funny.
What about the cop? Change him with the cop.
Right, so. Walk with one foot up here. Right. Back when I was doing. Alright, so. I'm tired of I'm tired of the. I think I want to drink, but there's no drink. Me too. I am so thirsty. Where's the water? Where's the water?
Oh, did you take her arm off?
Ah! Oh my god.
Show everybody your other men. How do you get to see all your men?
I'm gonna break all their arms.
Hold them all up so they see what you got.
Look at arm. There are these. I'm gonna put them arm up. Another arm. Ooh, another arm. And two of the arms.
Show them in. Which ones you have?
A lot.
Hold them up so they can see it.
Here's this one.
That one looks like the sheriff. That one looks like the nurse.
Yeah, it looks like the nurse. You know what I could do? I could just take the hair off. So I'm gonna keep playing this. Alright.
You're gonna continue playing these?
So I'm gonna show you everything. So here's this,
That's the fireman.
which is a man without fires.
So you're gonna continue playing these games, these little figures. This has been the unboxing. So you have the city heroes and the action heroes.
And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Do you want more videos? You want more 9 videos? Just click one of these videos and bye. And you're bad. I'm gonna catch you.
So don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Go ahead and hit the little notification button so you get notified every time he uploads a new video or reviews a product. You can also check him out at NoahNationAdventures.com.
Okay. All right. And you're gonna be a cowboy. Yeehaw! Bye.